Hello everyone. We are shooting today our first podcast for Women of Nasik. This is Mayuri. Today we are come in a very wonderful boutique of Mrs. Sudamini Kuwar. I would like to invite her for our first interview. Yes ma'am, please.
So hello.
Hello. Good to meet you.
Yeah, same here. Mayuri.
We would like to gift you this.
Oh, thank you so much.
And we are looking forward to hear your story.
Amazing. Thank you for having me firstly.
Thank you. Pleasure.
It's lovely to have you here at my boutique and I'm so excited to do this podcast with you.
Yes, let's do it.
Yes.
Okay. तो आपने कब decide किया कि आपको ऐसा कुछ करना है?
So this was in 2010. I had decided that I want to have some business. तो मुझे पता नहीं लग रहा था what am I going to do, you know. So then I had a little jewelry with me and I thought I would start something on my own for myself and I didn't want to borrow any money from anybody. And that's when I sold that jewelry and I bought a little dresses from the local markets and that's how I started. And my my business went skyrocket that time. So I had this beautiful boutique at Mahatma Nagar, Nasik, and I had great clients. I was in the boutique for 3 years, and then suddenly Corona hit, so I had to shut it down. So after all these years, again I thought that I should continue with that because every day, being a housewife, every day there are going to be a lot of problems. I had to take care of my children, but then I thought I should do something for myself. I wanted to stand on my own feet, and that's when again I thought that I will start this business again. I had some savings and then I again went for it, and this is where I am today.
This is your comeback.
Yes, absolutely.
This is Sudamini Kuwar 2.0.
Yes. So usually what happens is we tend to just forget ourselves. We really don't take that step. We're always scared, but I think I think as a woman everybody should go for it. Don't feel scared. It's just that one wall you have to cross, and then you
are there.
Yes, and you are there. The same thing happened with me for 7 years. I thought nahi abhi nahi hoga, it is not possible, but then I just took that step and today I'm here, and I cannot believe it that I am doing it.
Yes.
So this is lovely for me.
This is commendable.
Yeah, absolutely.
And what about your family? Did they support you?
Oh, my family is, I am so blessed. I have a lovely family. My husband is lovely. My children are lovely. I have 3 children. My eldest daughter, really, she pushed me into, getting into this business again. She was telling me one day while we were chatting, she told me, Mama, why don't you do it? And then that is where I thought I should go for it again. And she really helped me. So my family has always, even if I'm not doing anything, they've supported me. And today, yes, everywhere they support me. And I am so blessed. I'm telling you, I'm so grateful to have such a good family.
You're really blessed.
Yes.
If they support you this way.
I mean, thank you.
Why boutique? Why not something else?
The reason for me to opening a boutique is because I stay nearby. I have a kid who is homeschooled and he's just 9 years old. And boutique is a business where, I love dressing up people. I love it. I see those smiles on the ladies who come to shop at my place, and I see the smile. I really love it. And I had a team already, which I have right now. So it is very easy for me, So boutique, I had that passion. I love clothes and I like to, get new stuff, new designs. And that's the reason why I always wanted the boutique. That was before also and now. And because I had studied, I had done my fashion designing. It was a government course and I had did the fashion designing. So I wanted to just take it ahead, And I have that taste. I feel I have that taste. And I think everybody should do whatever they love to do. And this is what I love to do.
Yes.
And plus, with the support of the family, I can give time to my child, my children, and I can just be here also.
Yes.
Yeah.
But if you would have given another chance, so what would be next?
So next, I think I want to go into manufacturing. I
Okay.
really love what you know. Right now, whatever designs are there, I am outsourcing them. But I would like to have my designs. I would like to have a manufacturing unit later on. So
Okay.
let's see.
But
That's
then
the
it is
goal.
also a part of the like this business itself, just an
Exactly.
upgrade version of
Exactly, this
But you would
business.
not like to go for any other business.
No, I don't think, because then for me, rather than going and working so many hours outside, I rather prefer, being with my family. I really love to be around my family, because that's how, what is life? I think life is, you should be able to balance everything, not work, work, work all the time. I want to be with my kids, my husband. I want to give time at home, because when I'm at the boutique, I am working here. Later, I have to go home and work as well. So I think it'll be very difficult if I go and do something else rather than focus on only one thing.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
So
that's best
what is
to
your
focus.
retirement plan then?
Yes, so that is exciting. My retirement plan is amazing. I really want to retire very early. See, so today I'm 46 years old. Maybe my goal is to retire in 56.
Okay.
I want to buy a little land where I can do organic farming, and I want to just relax, listen to music, and give all this business to my children to handle, and I just want to relax. So I am just working on it. I want to travel. I love traveling with my children, but I think they're going to grow up. So I think me and my husband are going to travel. And I love that, the music, the birds. I love nature. I love growing vegetables. So that's my plan.
Let me tell you, this is the dream plan for everyone.
Oh, really?
We would definitely pray that you achieve all this.
Oh, that's
and your
so
children
sweet.
can take this legacy ahead.
Yes. Yes.
Hopefully they do.
Yes.
Okay. So about your success, do you feel it's your destiny, hard work or karmas? What do you believe in it?
I think I believe in hard work, because for anything to do, you have to work hard, you have to plan. There is so much which goes into whatever you are going to do. See, there's one thought. If you want to execute it, you have to plan so many things. So I think this is all hard work where I am. But before that, we really need to have the thought. We need to believe in ourselves that we can do it.
Yeah.
If I wouldn't have believed in myself, I wouldn't have been here. So first step, I think it is
Belief.
the belief, the thought, and then later on comes the hard work. Hard work तो हर एक business में होता है. आप जितना hard work करोगे, उतना ही आपको उसका फल मिलते जाएगा.
So it's the process.
Yes,
that you
of
have
course.
a thought, you have a belief, and then you work hard to achieve
Absolutely,
it.
absolutely, and it is really a process. And first thing, the very very core thing is you have to believe in yourself.
Yeah.
There's so many women, I think, they are so much capable of doing so many things, but they do not believe in themselves. And they get
also
stuck
the
somewhere.
push from the family, like you are blessed with, but not everyone is blessed with. So
Absolutely.
yes, some may not have their maternal family support, some may
Yeah.
not have their husband family support.
Yes.
So that's the reason they are stuck.
Yeah.
And they don't believe in
Yeah.
themselves.
But things are changing,
Yes.
people. सबसे पहले, if you start believing in yourself, people will start believing in you,
Yes.
right?
That's the first step. So I
Exactly.
think the women's around are just misleading to things, like they don't believe in themselves rather than go on having quarrels with the family.
Exactly.
And fights with the family.
Yeah.
So that's not the way they should. First
Right,
thing
right.
is that you believe in yourself.
Exactly, and teach yourself. See,
Yeah.
I have come here teaching myself. I have really, because I did not come. I came from a very humble family where my parents both were government service. They were working. My mother was a principal. My father was a engineer. So they did not have time to teach me,
Yeah.
right? So I had to self
Learn,
learn.
yeah.
So if you love something, you're going to go for it. That so it was like that for me. Then it was step by step. I have come here. I read so many books. I really loved you know, I really loved reading about the brain, how it works, how do you manifest. So many things around, and this is all hard work I think you put into the dream what you want to achieve in life.
Yes.
So that's how I'm here.
So have you manifested this?
I have, absolutely.
For how long?
See, before that, the time before when I had a boutique, before the corona, that was just a casual thing. Me and my husband traveling, and we just had a thought, and we just sold the gold and we had a business. But this, to do it again, I had to manifest it, like, you know, because when my daughter said that you do it, I did not have, you know, I did not know where the funds are going to come from. So that's when I started doing my meditation, and everything fell into place. That thought for 6 to 10 months I had that I have to. But that, you know, I wrote it on the paper, and so many times I used to figure out how am I going to do it. It manifested.
Yeah.
Today I can't believe that I'm
This has
sitting here.
happened.
This has happened. This is so lovely.
Yes.
So things happen. When you go in a positive direction, you really...
The things fall in place.
Of course, absolutely. And for me, though, it has.
So what's your next manifestation?
So my next manifestation is a house. Again, one more. So right now I have a house, but I want a bigger one.
Premium one.
And yes, I don't have a car for myself.
Okay.
So I really would I love driving, so I would really love to have a car. I have always had a thought of, you know, having a SUV, which I have never had, because I think my personality...
Your personality. I was about to say this, that personality
so
is like
drive
this.
something big.
SUV kind of thing.
Yes, absolutely.
So that's your next goal.
Yeah, today in the morning I was writing in my diary, and I was writing this only.
Great. So how did you set up this place? How long did it take for you to search the place, then get the interiors done, and then the setup was done? How long was the duration?
Yeah, okay. So basically when I decided to have a boutique, I was looking around, you know, for a good place, but not such a big place. I actually wanted to do the tailoring section and, you know, my display section. So I was finding a place, but I was not getting a good, you know, a good shop. But suddenly, you know, some person called up that he has this place. So, you know, we went, we saw, and that is the day I gave the token, and immediately we got the shop. So it was a raw shop, and then I had to do everything from scratch, from the wallpapers, you know, getting the, you know, my
interior,
everything in not kind of interiors. When we wanted to start with very little, you know, funds.
Yeah.
So whatever we could do, we wanted to make a good boutique out of it. So I did not spend too much on this. I just spent on the wallpaper, the plants, you know, the racks. That's it. No, a little bit of paint and a nice lamp, and the boutique was ready.
So you had already a vision that how do you want it?
Exactly. I had a vision, and step by step I went. I didn't want to hurry and spend too much, because I believe that whenever you're doing something, you should just get into it. And in that process, I think you should start learning and getting new things in whatever whatever I'm selling. I get the money, I put it inside my business only. So today I don't have a board right now.
Yeah.
So that is because I didn't want to spend, you know, because making a board costs a bomb. It's like 50,000-60,000 rupees for a board. So I did not have that much funds. I wanted to just start. Once I start, now I'm in a position where I can just make. So this is the time I have just, you know, got a vendor to have me a board. So I think, you know, there is nothing perfect.
Yeah.
You know, you don't have to start
make
perfect.
it every day.
Yeah, you don't have to start perfect.
Yeah.
You can be imperfect.
Yeah.
And
it leads to a perfection later on.
Exactly.
Your dedication, your hard work will lead you there.
Absolutely. I believe that. See, सब कुछ ready होके मजा नहीं आता है. You know, स्टेप बाय स्टेप आप जब करते हो तो उसमें बहुत मज़ा आता है.
Yes.
बिकॉज सबके पास जितना भी पैसा हो, यू नो, परफेक्ट बैठ के इधर, नो, मेरे स्किल्स से मुझे करना था, मुझे खुद करना था.
और इसकी खुशी कुछ डिफरेंट होगी.
एब्सोल्युटली,
Rather
बहुत
than
खुशी
just
आती है.
throwing the money
Yeah.
and getting it done.
एग्जैक्टली.
But then इसका satisfaction बहुत different होगा.
बहुत बहुत मुझे तो बहुत अच्छा लगता है. देयर आर टाइम्स आई डोंट हैव मनी, देयर आर टाइम्स व्हेन आई हैव सम मनी एंड देन आई एम डूइंग समथिंग फॉर द बुटीक. मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है टू री इन्वेस्ट इन द बिजनेस.
Yes, true.
सो इट्स गुड, इट्स अ प्रोसेस एंड आई एम एंजॉयिंग इट. आई लव इट.
And you'll be doing it like on a regular every time.
Exactly. अब मुझे जब
Now-
मैंने इतना बना लिया ना, I feel that ये छोटा पड़ रहा है. So now I'm going to expand.
Exactly.
But this is not the time I expand because it's just been 6 months I'm here and through this business. I really want to take a little time, you know, थोड़ा सा वो marinate हो जाए.
Correct.
Then उसके बाद हम लोग कुछ अच्छा और कर
Then
सकते
next,
हैं. Yes.
one step at a time.
Absolutely. And I think हर एक को वैसा ही करना चाहिए. Why, you know, just start. I think people get stuck, you know, where they don't start.
Start.
That starting is the step.
Yes.
Yeah.
Then everybody doesn't have that courage to do it, I guess.
Absolutely.
That's
Yeah.
the reason.
It is, yes. But I think experience teaches you all. मुझे भी there was a time when I was so scared I couldn't even go to a किराना दुकान नीचे. I used to feel so scared. And today I'm so confident. That's because I have experience से मैं सीखती गई हूँ. When I fell, I got up. When I fell, I got up. That's how you do it, you know. As a woman, any human being, I think अगर आप नीचे गिर रहे हो तो you have to get up by yourself.
What would you like to suggest the other women's? Like they should have their independency before they get into the trouble? For example, a housewife is a housewife until she gets into a financial trouble. And then she turns into a working woman or a business lady. But what do you feel? A woman should have this independency like forever?
Yeah. So I'll tell you, you know, I'll tell you something about myself. I love kids. I wanted to be a housewife. I never wanted to work. I wanted to be that, you know, mother hen sitting on the nest and taking care of the children.
Yeah.
तो मैं उसी माइंडसेट से जब मेरी शादी हुई, आई वॉज इन दैट माइंडसेट ओनली. एक बच्चा हुआ, दूसरा हुआ, तीसरा हुआ. आई वॉन्टेड टू जस्ट बी अराउंड माई चिल्ड्रन. आई वॉन्टेड टू टेक केयर ऑफ माई हाउस. आई यूज टू लव डूइंग द हाउस. बट ऐसा कुछ सिचुएशन आया दैट आई हैड टू वर्क.
Yeah.
So this is when I started the boutique. That time also I had to sell my gold. I had to start everything. So I personally feel that I think everybody should पहले से ही उन्होंने खुद के लिए कुछ सोचना चाहिए. Every lady should be independent पहले से ही. You know, मैं तो बहुत process से गई हूँ and it got very late for me. You know, now I'm 46. 6 महीना हुआ है, वापस मैंने boutique डाला है. They say that it's never too late, but then you know,
it is.
I should
Somewhere
have been
it
settled
is.
this time.
Yeah, somewhere it is.
Yeah, I should have been settled. You know, कुछ savings होने चाहिए थे.
True.
But अभी मुझे फिर से वही धीरे धीरे, you know, I have to go through that process again.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I think every woman should think for themselves and start early. And start saving for themselves. हम लोग बहुत we take ourselves for granted, you know. हम लोग कितने ऐसे पैसे उड़ा देते हैं, हम लोग सोचते नहीं हैं. But start saving. I did not save. I made so many mistakes before.
Yeah.
But I learned today. And this is what I teach my girls also. My girls are independent abhi. But my little one is just, you know, she's still studying. But then I really feel that they should SIP में डालो, कहीं पर भी डालो. But you should start saving for your day. You know, those rainy days, I think.
Yeah. And saying that, I feel कि अभी उनके पास इतनी सारी opportunities भी है.
हाँ जी.
So पहले ये इतना नहीं होता था. So we used to not get so many opportunities to explore or do anything.
Yeah.
But now they have, like, every profession has so many variations to it.
Absolutely.
So they can do something or the other and have an independency of finance.
Absolutely, absolutely. I think it is important, you know, for every lady to do. अब देखिए आजकल बहुत गोल ओरिएंटेड है, लोग काम करते हैं, लेडीज़ पढ़ाई करके बहुत कुछ करती है हमारी. but कुछ percentage of ladies are there who are sitting in the house.
Still
No?
stuck.
I think they also, but आजकल तो करते हैं बहुत.
The percentage has increased.
Yeah, हमारे टाइम पे जब हम छोटे थे तब अलग सीन था. But now I think there is an awareness कि हम लोगों को सेव करना है.
Yeah.
This what I'm talking about is just the little 1% of ladies who are just stuck and they don't know the way out.
Yeah.
So they should start early and they should do something and confidence से करना चाहिए. क्यों? Why? किस लिए डरना है? I तो give myself 100%. मैं तो बाहर I just throw myself. Even मुझे नहीं आ रहा है, I do it.
Yes. But what do you feel after achieving all this? Does a woman get dominant?
Dominant in the sense?
Dominant to men's, superior to men's? They feel like that?
No, I don't feel. You mean to say that ego आ जाता है? हाँ, अगर काम करने लग जाते हैं.
हाँ, पैसा कमाते हैं तो ईगो आ जाता है. या फिर ये जो सेल्फ इंडिपेंडेंस है ये गलत ट्रैक पे चला जाता है.
नहीं, मुझे नहीं लगता है.
Not everyone.
Not everyone. At
But
least
then
not
there are.
me.
But then there are.
I don't know. I am not aware.
You haven't.
I have. See, I did not. I'll tell you one thing about myself. I don't pay attention too much. बाहर क्या हो रहा है, इसका क्या हो रहा है. मैं इतनी खुद में ही सेल्फ ऑब्सेस्ड हूँ. मैं खुद की फैमिली, मेरा खुद के बच्चे, मेरा खुद का हस्बैंड, आई एम सो अराउंड देम कि मुझे ये सब सोचने का टाइम ही नहीं है. एंड दैट एरोगेंस नेवर केम इन मी बिकॉज आई फील दैट फैमिली हम साथ में जीते हैं. So it's balanced. My husband and I am always balanced. So if I'm doing something, he helps me. If he's doing something, I help him. Because when we had nothing, we were together that time also. So I don't think कि arrogance आ जाता है.
And it's end of the day you're doing for the family.
Exactly.
Even if it is him or you are doing for the family.
Absolutely.
Which includes you both as well.
हम लोगों को कैसे I think the creator has made us into a small family and you have to take care of your nest, your house, your children, and then those children will go away and then you and your husband are going. तो ये क्या करना है? ये proud होके ego रख के I don't think वो कुछ काम में भी आने वाला है. I think जो balance हम रख के चलते हैं that will go for a longer time.
Longer period. Yeah.
So and that makes me happy also. Me and my husband really enjoy ourselves. We balance everything. So I don't think कि मुझ में वैसा कुछ आया है.
But then this is a message to all the women
Absolutely.
who have it. Like they should think about a longer goal, like a bigger goal in their life, where they are going to stay with their husbands when the children are away.
Right.
It's end of the day. It's between two of them.
And कभी-कभी क्या होता है? See, everybody is not हर एक का husband support करेगा. जैसे मेरा husband है, so उनका job ऐसा है that he has time to help me, right? सबके नहीं हो सकते. Maybe your husband is working, so it's okay. It's okay.
Fine.
You do it for yourself.
Yeah.
Why you need somebody to किसी की validation की या किसी के help की क्यों ज़रूरत है? You do it. Yeah.
It's
even
your
if today my husband says I'm not going to help you, I'm not going to leave this. I'm going to do it anyways.
That's your passion. That's your choice. You have chosen.
Anyways, because this gives me freedom to take care of my family.
Yeah.
I do not have to ask. This is giving me that freedom, which I love.
Yes.
I love both things. I wanted to be a mother hen and sit in the house, but this also I'm enjoying.
Yes.
So whatever is coming my way, I'm really enjoying it and happily कर रही हूँ मैं.
You are a happy soul.
Yes, you can say that, but
Yes.
I wasn't before, but I have made myself like that. You have to make yourself.
You're not born like that.
You are not, because we have so many negative thoughts in our head. People are all around us. They'll keep telling you that this is not possible. ये नहीं हो सकता, ये नहीं हो सकता. And that is what you believe when you are growing up. मुझे भी बहुत चीज़ें लगती थी कि मैं नहीं कर सकती हूँ, मुझे नहीं आता है, मैंने पढ़ाई नहीं की है, मैंने ये नहीं किया, मैंने वो. That is what I left it behind. And today I know मुझे कुछ भी दे दो आप कोई भी business बोलो. Not only a boutique, any business, I can do it. Because I know, now I believe in myself. And I really, मैं एक बात बताती हूँ, because we come here on earth to enjoy ourselves, not to build houses, not to, ये सब चीज़ें सब मटीरियलिस्टिक चीज़ें हैं. यहाँ हम लोग ग्रो करने के लिए आते हैं. आई पर्सनली फील सो वॉट एवर टाइम इज़ देयर, whatever job I have to do is in this time frame.
Yes.
And then I'm just going to enjoy my life.
You have your retirement plan ready.
Yes. Absolutely, yes.
What legacy would you want your children to carry forward, especially your girls?
My girls legacy क्या है, whatever मेरा है वो उनका है. यही legacy. I really want them to carry this confidence that I have.
Yeah.
I really don't want them to feel scared, or I really don't want them to feel that they cannot achieve anything. You know, because सब कुछ possible है. Everything is possible. आज हम लोग अगर सोचे करने के लिए. I really want them to be bold and not dependent on anybody. खुद का decision खुद ले. You know, I want them to nurture the relationships around them. You know, the parents as they grow up, their families.
Yeah.
So that is the legacy I want to pass on to them, because I myself am like that. I really care about the, you know, even any customer walking in my boutique, I feel so loving to them. I feel so grateful that they are coming to my boutique. और मुझे इतना अच्छा लगता है उनको you know cater करना, उनको कपड़े दिखाना, उनकी मैं बहुत दिलदार भी हूँ वैसे, but I really love what I'm doing, and this you will really make it from my voice what I'm talking. मेरा हर एक कस्टमर मेरे लिए इम्पोर्टेंट है और मुझे अच्छा लगता है ये सब करना. तो यही चीज़ें I want my children to carry, you know.
Yes.
That self-love, happiness and enjoy, and whatever you're doing, just do it.
Yes. Okay, so any good experience of a client would you like to share?
Oh, I have a beautiful client. I'm not going to name her.
Yeah.
But she is so amazing. She's so full of life. The time she walks into the door, I am so, you know, so happy to see her. And she is never, I have seen that lady never stress about money. Because there are so many people I meet in a day. I have so many clients and they are so worried about, but she is never, you know, when she walks in, she has that aura around her. If she wants to buy something, she's not in a pressurized this thing that मुझे इतने पैसे देने पड़ेंगे, you know. She's just casual. Even if I don't know how her status, I don't know, but she is a lovely person to come, and then she'll come, ये मुझे दे देना.
She's not someone who cribs around for more options.
Because
more
I
colors.
think that is only what manifestation is, you know. Because she is like that, she gets more.
Yeah.
The more she is casual about it, the more she is
flawless about it.
Yes, and she just manifests it. She gets so much of it.
Yeah.
And she's so lovely. She's so kind. I really like. And the other day I was telling her, ma'am, I want to be like you. And she's telling me, you are like me. So I felt so good.
Coming it from that person.
Yeah, yes, absolutely.
And now a tougher one.
Yeah.
A bad one.
Oh.
A bad experience.
Oh, yes. I had this girl come in with her mother one day, and she had a blouse to stitch, and she gave us a pattern, and my master is a good master. He's working since 15-20 years. And we made the same design, you know, what she had given us. She tried, the fitting was perfect, but she kept on cribbing. She kept on cribbing for 3 days, wherein we had to give her money back and tell her, please, we are sorry, we cannot do it. So I think people need to understand that we are also human beings. I'm here to help my clients.
Yeah.
See, my master is here to help the client, you know. It's not in our hand. It's okay. See, if it is a tight, loose, कुछ हो जाता है, ठीक है, ऊपर नीचे.
But we have still tried to figure out.
Yeah, there is always a way. होता है, ठीक हो जाता है. But she gave us so much of stress that everybody did not eat food for 3 days. That was the worst experience in my so many days of running the boutique.
Oh.
That was a bad one.
So it was a loss.
Is a loss was, I do not care.
That's fine,
वो तो
but then
ठीक
this
है. अगर कस्टमर सेटिस्फाइड, सी मेरे लिए बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट है, पैसा इम्पॉर्टेंट है मेरे लिए, बिकॉज मेरे बच्चे उससे खाना खाते हैं, मेरा घर उससे चलता है, दैट इज़ इम्पॉर्टेंट फॉर मी. बट अगर कोई कस्टमर सेटिस्फाइड नहीं है हमारे सर्विस से, सो आई डोंट थिंक, अगर कोई कस्टमर सेटिस्फाइड नहीं है हमारे सर्विस से, सो आई डोंट थिंक मुझे वो पैसे भी चाहिए. आई डोंट वांट इट.
Yeah. Okay, so as a person, I would not enter premium boutiques because I feel my pocket won't serve. So I just walk by. So do you have clients like this who just walk by or hesitate to get inside?
Every day we have so many of them. I see from here that they just pass by so many times. I want to share a story with you. Just 2 days back there was a lady who was hesitating to come inside. Maybe she was thinking that बहुत बड़ा boutique है,
Yeah.
बहुत expensive होगा, so मैं अंदर नहीं जाऊँ. And so I saw her from here and I opened the door and I said, do you want anything, ma'am? So she said, नहीं काही नहीं पाहिजे. So I still told her, if you want, you can just come and have a look. Even if you don't want to buy, you just come. And then she came inside. And then she started seeing the stuff. And that's when she told me that माझा budget फक्त 1500 रुपये है. So her budget was only 1500 rupees. So that's when I thought that today I'm going to give her whatever she likes. I'm going to just price tag that for 1500 rupees for her.
Yeah.
Because I really felt for her, and it is so nice to come for her to come inside and check out the stuff, and she bought from me. And that felt so happy. The dress what she bought was for 3500. I gave her for 1500. So it was lovely. And I really want to tell people that जो दिखता है वैसा नहीं होता है, अंदर आके देखिए. We are so loving. I am so loving. I am so kind. I want to really मैं पता है, I'll tell you my thing that जब मैंने शुरू किया मेरे पास literally expensive stuff था. That was costing around 3500 and onwards. Then people started coming inside and then वो कुर्ती मांगने लग गई. तो धीरे धीरे करके I upgraded
You
myself.
understood what market
Yes,
requires.
I understood कि अभी क्या चाहिए लोगों को, and I should cater to all the people.
Yeah.
ठीक है, I like to cater to a class. That's okay. But then I don't want anybody to just go away from here without buying. They want to buy and they cannot buy. ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए.
So you kept range of everything then.
Yeah, so I have kept a range from 650 rupees से लेके 10,000 तक मेरे पास है. I custom stitch also. So yeah, that's what. So I can थोड़ा सा wider range में I can cater to people.
Yeah.
The ladies who come in.
I wish I would have met someone like you. I would have entered every boutique. I never did that, only because thinking the way it has a setup, I always thought, oh God, this is a very premium one. I don't think I can afford this. So I never entered any.
Yeah.
That fear.
Yes.
I never entered. And I am also a person who would just not go and check
Yes.
out. So, if it serves, then get inside, buy stuff and come out. But then, yes, if I would have got someone like you, I would have entered.
Oh, that's so
I
lovely.
really would have entered.
That's a real good compliment for me.
The
Thank
way
you.
I have entered now.